On today's episode of I Bet You Didn't Know, we're going to talk about tank vents. All two-cycle equipment is going to have a tank vent on the gas tank. The purpose of the tank vent is to relieve pressure built up in gas tanks when the gas is expanding. Without the tank vent, the gas tank would explode under pressure. The location of the tank vent is going to depend on the make and model of your unit. This particular chainsaw, the tank vent is right inside there. Tank vents need to be cleaned in order to function properly. If your tank vent is clogged, your saw or your trimmer or your blower will start up fine the first time. When you go ahead and shut the equipment off and try to restart it, it's not going to want to start. Having a clogged tank vent is going to create suction in your fuel system. It's going to be like sticking your finger on the end of a straw and not allowing anything to be sucked through. It's going to hold into the pressure in the tank, and there's not going to be fuel released into the carburetor, which is going to pass through into the engine to ignite with the spark plug. If your equipment won't start after you've turned it off and you go to restart it, the first thing that I would check is the tank vent. So if you didn't know, now you know.